Hey there, my friend, fellow traders. Will here over to fxace.com. First, a big welcome to the video. So we're at the end of the first week in February 2020. Time is flying. We actually got off to a fantastic trading week on our signal service. Now, before we get into this week's actual results, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button now and keep up to date with all our latest trading educational videos, and most importantly, our free trade alerts that we send out on a Sunday. Okay, this week we had a fantastic free trade alert on the British pound Kiwi. We actually posted the trade analyst last Sunday before the market opened, and it took off from the get-go and banked nearly exactly 300 pips. Okay, so let's have a look at the trades this week. Up for grabs on the table was around 1,000 pips. We missed out on two beautiful trades, one on the British pound Aussie and one on the Euro Aussie. Our entries were like 4 or 5 pips off from the entry. Some guys in the group that know how I trade my method were able to actually just enter these Euro Aussie and British pound Aussie on the open on Monday. So a great week. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 of our signals were triggered. The best one was in the British pound Kiwi. Some nice trades in the Euro CAD, the Euro Kiwi, Aussie USD, Aussie Swiss franc, Kiwi, USD CAD. We actually closed all our trades out on Tuesday evening, and you can see in the Facebook group here the results that people have gotten. Okay, you can head over and join our Facebook group, the FXA's Professional Forex and Signal Educational Group. So it is free to join. Just request to join, and you can get into the group and see some amazing results this week. One person actually was able to bank over 1,000 pips, which is pretty epic. So it was, and you can hit in the Facebook group, you can see these results. Okay, so trade of the week was obviously on the British pound Kiwi, and we'll just head over to the British pound Kiwi. You can see we'll just delete all these zones here. Bit of a mess. Just put template in. Okay, naked charts. Okay, so more or less from Monday morning, it gapped down and it dropped. Actually, dropped more than. In total, it dropped 430. We were able to get 300 of those pips. We did give you the signal for that, so it was a great week. I hope you took that trade. This was the British pound Kiwi. The reason we took this trade was simply because we were at this area here on the chart. Okay, this is from the actual Brit exit drop after the Brit exit result, and the market, you can see this is a weekly zone, so we were going to get some sort of reaction there, which we did. The market was slowing down last week coming into it. It rallied up pretty hard into it, so that was indicating that we were going to get a sell-off early Monday morning. Okay, last week I did say this would be the area I'd be looking to for it to come to. Round about here, this area here just didn't make it. Say the 199 two area, 201s where we were looking to take our profit, and this was actually from this 4-hour pause in the market here, and hit it once, hit it twice, 3 times, 3 push down, rally up. Okay, so it's a beautiful trade. You can see the results people got this week. See our results, 820 pips. Personally, in the Facebook group, you can see all the results people were getting. Some people only joined on Wednesday and Thursday. We were able to get over 200 pips using the service for the last few days of the week, even though we had closed all our positions on Tuesday evening with some nice profits. Okay, so if you want to learn how to trade Forex, or want to finally make money trading Forex, we guarantee with our service you'll make a minimum of 900 pips every 90 days, or we'll simply refund you your money. Even if you make 899 pips, we'll simply refund you your money if you do not make the minimum 900 pips. We average around 1,000 pips a month. Last month we made 1,500. This month we've already made 820. So it's a fantastic service with an ironclad guarantee. you can click the link below and sign up to the Signal service. We also offer a copy service where we'll simply do all the trading for you. Okay, so it'll be simply clicking the link below. You can head over to the sign up page. You can read all the cool benefits you get with the service, and finally take the leap and start profiting from your Forex Signal service. So if you have any questions, let me know. Will@thefxace.com, or somebody add me. Join the Facebook group and ask me in there. Okay, so thanks for watching. Click the link below and I'll speak to you soon.